finally own a cardboard box. No, that's not a cardboard box. That's a computer. So no more using the phone that I'm on right now to do all my filming, all my editing, all my everything. Which I tell you what, it's amazing that I've done 40 plus videos all from my phone. This is gonna be my new office. You like all my nail polish. Gotta keep it fresh. You know, so I'm always nail polishing. But we're gonna get this thing set up and get to editing the first video on it. I guess the box opens kind of cool. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, there's more boxes. Yeah, I can't do this one-handed, sorry. It's like a belly dancer. What the hell is that? Why is the screen like that? Well, I'm just being an idiot, guys. Okay, so now we've got this thing. I don't know how to turn it on. I've been feeling around and poking and prodding. So we got a computer. It looks good. I don't think it turns on. The eject button? If only I knew how to read. Is there anything you can plug? Ah! Found it. Ta-da! I did it!
macOS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac. If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the Escape key.
Escape. Is there anything in this box?
So what's going on, guys? Here in my lovely nail polish office. I don't know, it's mostly the wife's stuff in here, but I know this thing ain't working real good for taking video, but so I got the computer finally. I've edited the last two videos if you watched. I edited Anarchy, and then the last Expedition, no, the last Suburban video. I'm lying to you already. So I edited that last Suburban video using the new computer. Got a crazy dog. Get out of here! You're not allowed in here. It's taken me a lot to learn it, even though I've been using iMovie on my phone. You know, I've been doing all my editing with this thing, and I'll tell you what, I know I'm still a beginning YouTuber, but man, if you want to do it, if you have an iPhone, I had an iPhone 5 when I started this channel almost a year ago now. Maybe a little less than a year ago. Anyways, I started on an iPhone 5, editing, doing all my videos from that. And then this is, I think, a 10 or something. It's not very old. Because my old phone died. And I'm like, I was at a crossroads of either stop doing YouTube, which really wasn't an option because I enjoy making these videos for you guys, whether you like watching them or not. And I needed to buy a camera. I needed a lot of things, but I'm too obsessed with buying car parts that I don't need that I wasn't able to buy a camera or just all the above. So, you can barely see my face. So, got the phone. Filming got way better because that phone has a way better camera. I still want to get some GoPros and things like that, especially for once we have some cars out at the track next year. just got a bunch of projects we need to finish. Bailed on a few projects. We sold that project Nightmare. But anyways, back to the computer. I'm learning editing using iMovie on the computer, which, if any of you guys have used it on the phone, everything's touchscreen, so it's pretty damn easy. On the computer, it is not touchscreen. So, I've been learning. I feel like I'm getting better. I still need everybody's criticism. Don't be afraid to hurt my feelings, because you saying some negative stuff isn't going to stop me from doing this. Negativity probably just going to keep driving me to make more videos. I would love for this to be my job one day. Not saying it will be. You know, every day I get up, I go to work, and I fix cars. So, I would just rather do it for you guys to watch as entertainment, because that's what I want to do. That's where I want my life to be. But thank all you guys that have watched our videos. We're at like 82 subscribers now, which isn't much, but it's huge to me because not all 82 of you are people that I know. A lot of you are just people who found the channel or through Facebook or through whatever. Thank you. It really means a lot that you guys are hanging out and watching these videos. I know this one I'm probably just rambling on, but I really want you guys to know I appreciate you. And if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't have this computer. I wouldn't be pushing to make more content. And I got a few things in the works right now, so stay tuned, guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell all your friends about Foy's Automotive. Thank you.